everyone. Welcome back to Fluent English Studio.
Hello, guys. Great to see you again.
Today we are learning something very important.
Yes, present perfect.
Adam, have you had a busy day?
Yes, I have had a very busy day.
What have you done today?
I have answered many emails. I have worked on a new project, and I have spoken to my team.
That sounds busy. I have also had a busy day.
Really? What have you done?
I have prepared lessons, I have recorded videos, and I have helped some students.
That's great.
Present perfect is useful for this.
Yes, because we talk about our day.
We don't say when exactly.
We focus on the result.
For example, I have finished my work.
The result is important now.
Have you ever traveled to another country?
Yes, I have traveled to Spain and Italy.
That's nice. I have never visited Italy.
You should visit it.
Have you ever tried new food?
Yes, I have tried many different foods. I have tried sushi. I have tried traditional dishes.
I have never tried sushi.
Really? You should try it.
I have just finished my lesson.
I have just started mine.
We use just for recent actions.
Yes, something that happened a moment ago.
I have already eaten.
So you are not hungry now?
Have you eaten yet?
No, I haven't eaten yet.
We use yet in questions and negatives.
Exactly.
Many learners make mistakes.
Yes, very common mistakes.
For example, people say, I have seen it yesterday,
That is incorrect. We should say, I saw it yesterday.
because yesterday is past simple.
Exactly.
Let's practice together.
Repeat after us.
I have finished my work.
Repeat.
I have visited London.
Repeat.
I have learned many things.
Repeat.
I have just eaten.
Repeat.
I have already finished.
Repeat.
I haven't finished yet.
Repeat.
Now let's speak freely.
Tell us about your day.
Say, I have.
For example, I have worked all day.
I have studied English.
I have practiced speaking.
Now you understand present perfect.
Yes, it's simple and useful.
Keep practicing every day.
And don't forget to speak.
See you in the next episode.